In this paper, we present a 5-step process for engaging with the metamodel and domain-specific expert models to provide comprehensive and accurate solutions. The first step involves transforming the raw query into a suitable template using a transformation function. We also add initial instructions to the metamodel's prompt history to guide its responses. In the second step, we determine the metamodel's next action based on the current message list. The metamodel can either directly address the query or consult a domain-specific expert for more specialized knowledge. The third step comes into play if the metamodel does not provide a satisfactory result. In such cases, we engage a domain-specific expert model. The expert model receives instructions extracted from the metamodel's output and responds based on the information shared by the metamodel. In the fourth step, we extract and return the final answer from the metamodel's response. We identify this final answer using specific markers or indicators. The fifth and final step involves error handling. If the model response does not contain a final answer or a call to an expert model, we append an error message to the message list. This ensures that our procedure is robust and can handle unexpected outputs. Overall, our meta-prompting approach combines the perspectives and conclusions of multiple domain-specific models. This shallow hierarchical configuration, with the metamodel as the central authority, allows for the coordination and synthesis responses from different models. It simplifies communication between experts and puts the metamodel at the center of the operation, leading to more comprehensive, robust, and accurate solutions.